Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to animate characters using AI generated voice audio from Uberduck, perfect for skits or story videos. Let's get started. First, visit Uberduck AI and log into your account. And then here in the dashboard, select text to speech feature to type your script and select a voice preset and generate the audio file for your character and download the AI voice file and import it to animation tool like Canva, Adobe, or CapCut to sync with your visuals. And you can use a lip sync tool or manual keyframes to match your character's mouth and impression to overduck audio. You can add gestures or movement for extra realism. And here, preview your animation. Export it as short videos and upload to your YouTube Shorts. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.